Okay, guys, quick demo. Weekend project. Actually, I've been working for this for some time now. And now this looks like a normal desktop to you, but it's not a normal desktop. It's a monitor, and behind I have fixed a Raspberry Pi 3. So that is the microcontroller. You can say a mini computer. Many people say, but it's a microcontroller, and a Pi cam is attached to it. So this whole monitor is working with this, and it's running on Debian Linux. That's the setup. Okay, what else important is that I'm running detection on this. I'm using TensorFlow Lite. So disclaimer, TensorFlow I have not done the object detection coding myself. It's open source code. My this project is all about adaptation to that, because people are mostly doing on a computer, proper computer. I'm doing on a Raspberry Pi. This is adaptation, and apart from that, it's more about setting up, fixing the issues. It took me some time, and the capability of the hardware is not as much as a normal CPU. So the challenge was to make it run there. So that is the piece. And also I'll tell you, this is not my actual, this is not the end project to detect something. I have two use cases I'm working. One use case is to put this, okay, I'll fix this camera is actually not facing me. Wait. This is a temporary arrangement. Okay. So there are two use cases for this. The first use case is to use, I have already in my previous project, I have made a autonomous moving car, or you can call it a robot or a bot, which finds its way within the house, uh, you know, making its way, detecting objects and all. But that is most on a ultrasonic sensors. It's not a machine learning code. So I wanted to include that TensorFlow for that as well. So it's a first step on that, where I'll use this Raspberry. Basically, I'll pull the Raspberry, put in that bot, and this will be the brain and eyes. It will detect object and uh, and take a command based on the real life scenario. So that is the end project for use case one. Second very important use case is I want to put a camera on my door, where now it's, if you see, it's detecting object. Okay, it's like cell phone, person. So basically it will detect object and person and identify it. Based on that, it can take action like opening doors, sending me, some kind of command on my, or some kind of notification on my phone. Those kind of a use case which I want to use it for. So the two use cases are working. It's a first step where the object detection has started working. And mind you, this model needs to be trained. There are few flaws which is there. Still I'm working on that. So it's the first step. So I'm very happy, because uh, I have to learn a bit of Python to get this far. So there was there was a journey of learning that and coming to a place where you can, if I can say you the code, if I can show you the code, the kinds of errors I have handled and all. So the challenge was there to make it one. There's a lot many errors that you need to handle and all, and adapt it. So yeah, that is the challenge here. But I'm glad it's working. It took some time, but it's working properly. I'll give you a demo of this. Let me see if this works or not. Let me see if it detects. Okay, what it is detecting, just a minute. Bottle, yeah, so the detection is correct. That's a bottle. Person is there. Let me see if what else it can detect. That is there, and it will not detect beta. I don't think the code base is enough to detect that thing. Wait. The book, is it detecting a book? It's detecting a person. So I think, yeah, just this model needs to be trained a bit more, but I'm more than sure, with some more effort and all, this will be in a good place. Book, I think as of now it's not detected, but hopefully it should detect the book. Okay, yeah, so I'm hopeful it will detect the book. And if you can stop moving, it will give her an option. If you move so much, it is focusing on you. Okay, it can detect person on the book page, which is even great. Oh, it's detecting two persons. It is detecting two persons on the book. See, but overall book it has to detect, which it should detect. There's no reason why it should not detect. Or it's detecting microwave, which is wrong. I think it's not seeing the whole. Okay, I have to bring the book back. Maybe now we'll let it fix. Okay, book. Yeah. So I can see book. It has detected as a book. It took some time because this model is still learning. So this accuracy will increase. I have to work on that as well. So basically, this is what I could do. I'll bring some more objects and see that person it will detect. That will not detect beta. He doesn't know. I don't think it will detect that. It maybe toy it can say. I'm not sure. Okay, the other object if you can see is saying chair. So broadly it's working. I think I'm glad it's the first day. I'll sit and work on this, but I'm very happy and wanted to share this development. It's detecting my cell phone as well. Can you detect hand and all? So yeah, I'll work on all this minor things, but broadly I'm very happy that this has come out well. The rest part of integration will continue. So yeah, thanks a lot. I'm very happy. I wanted to share with everyone. Thanks a lot.